That is an obnoxious beeping. But here we have an elevator. There's a north and a south elevator. I suspect I'm at the north. Yes. That doesn't work. Interesting. I've never seen Signa4 with Mad BS. There's your cab. And let's go to Hydro. Oh wow, there's a view and some snacks to go along with the view. Snacks. Oh wow, it's a view of a decrepit water park. Wow, that's so nice. Anyway, back down we go. Dang, this is freaky. This is so like liminal. Bro, this does not feel like an apartment building. Or maybe I'm just high. Whoa. Okay, that's enough of that. £3,500 to ThyssenKrupp. No, it's a ThyssenKrupp. You can hear that obnoxious alarm all the way from here. I don't know how the residents put up with that. Beep, beep. Be quiet. We have been notified, so the notifier has done its job and can shut up.